Grand Rising family, how y'all doing? I want to welcome you to another episode of Max Crypto News, where we talk about these intangible coins at all times, family. How are y'all doing today, family? Listen, there's some reports saying that the crypto market will be going on a 50% crash, family. You got people saying that the market will crash by 50%. We're going to talk about that. We're going to look at Bitcoin, get caught up on the news, and much more on this episode of Max Crypto News. Before we get started, y'all, let me pay some bills, pay my bills, take care of my sponsor real fast, then we're going to get in here, all right? So this episode of Max Crypto News is being brought to you by Anointed Hands. Anointed Hands is the company that is sponsoring this, family. Listen, on Anointed Hands, we have books, products, services that you can get. We're offering a cryptocurrency class. You come here, you come under collections, you go to online learning, you click it. Once you click it, the credit on the cryptocurrency class will come up, family. You take this, and then you will get the link for the class, family, right? The class is here for everybody to take advantage of the class while it's here, family. Let's make money on this market. All right, so like we always like to do, I always like to start off talking about coin market cap. And we can see that the total market cap is $843 billion. $843 billion. Bitcoin dominance is around 38.8%. Ethereum dominance is around 18.2%. The market is red. We're going down. If you're in my class, I already told y'all what to expect. So now we're just watching it happen, right? So you got Bitcoin at 17,000. Ethereum at $1,251. You got BNB at $276.10. You got Binance coin and USD coin sitting around $1. They tell us. XRP at 37 cents. Dogecoin at 8 cents. Cardano at 30 cents. And Polygon at 88 cents, family. That rounds out the top 10. You got DOT at 5.13, Litecoin at $74.89, Tron at 5 cents, Solana at 13.12. You got Sheep at 8,849 Satoshis, Uniswap at number 17 at $5.83, Avalanche at $12.74, Unised LEO at $3.72, and you got Wrap BTC at $16,960. Now the Wrap BTC is pegged to BTC, family, and it's just on the Ethereum network, right? So with that, let's get into a little bit of news, family, because I was looking at a report. Yeah, the FBF, right, tried to destabilize the crypto market to save FTX, right? This was a move by FBF to depeg the stablecoin to cause the market to crash. This is what this Sam guy did. He basically tried to make the market crash to save FTX. And this shows the level of wickedness this brother has, and why I'm starting to believe more and more he's a plant, and Coinbase is colluding with him. I really believe that Coinbase is colluding with FTX. Well, Coinbase is the next one, because they're really trying to come after USDT. We'll talk about that later. So let's play this report, see what this little fool tried to do, but it wasn't able to happen.
SBF tried to destabilize crypto market to save FTX, report. Tether executives and Binance CEO Changpeng CZ Zhao worried that Sam Bankman-Fried, SBF, former FTX CEO, was attempting to destabilize the crypto market, aiming to save the now bankrupt exchange, according to reports on December 9. Messages seen by the Wall Street Journal of a Signal group chat named Exchange Coordination reveals an argument between CZ and SBF on November 10 about Tether's stablecoin USDT. Members in the Signal group include Kraken co-founder Jesse Powell, Paolo Ardino, Chief Technology Officer of Tether, among others. According to the report, CZ and others in the group worried that trades made by Alameda Research were focusing on to peg the stablecoin, which would have a ripple effect in crypto prices. Binance CEO reportedly confronted SBF. "Stop trying to depeg stablecoins. And stop doing anything. Stop now, don't cause more damage." SBF denied the claims in a statement to the Wall Street Journal. The alleged argument on the Signal group happened a day after Binance announced that it wouldn't bail out its troubled competitor FTX, citing reports regarding mishandled customer funds and alleged U.S. agency investigations. On November 10, Tether's Ardino also said the company have no plans to invest or lend money to FTX/Alameda. As reported by Cointelegraph, new details about the failed agreement between Binance and FTX were revealed on December 9. In a Twitter thread, CZ referred to Bankman-Fried as a fraudster, saying Binance exited its position in FTX in July 2021 after becoming increasingly uncomfortable with Alameda/SBF. SBF was unhinged at the exchange pulling out, according to Binance's CEO. In response, SBF claimed that Binance threatened to walk at the last minute, accusing CZ of lying about his role in the deal. On November 11, FTX Group and nearly 130 companies, including FTX Trading, FTX US, under West Realmshire Services, and Alameda Research, filed for bankruptcy in the United States, citing a liquidity crunch. Since FTX's bankruptcy, SBF has been named in 7 class action lawsuits and numerous probes and investigations, including a market manipulation probe by federal prosecutors.
So this guy, because FTX was going bankrupt, he basically tried to bankrupt the whole crypto market. And I believe that he ain't alone, and I believe that it's people working with him. That's why the man is not locked up yet. They haven't arrested him. He's talking about when he's going to testify. He's going around. He's some big celebrity. But we know that he invested well over, they said 50 to 100 million to Democratic and Republican campaigns in this last election cycle. He personally donated over $11 million to Joe Biden's campaign. So we know this. So apparently he put money in these politicians' hands, and now they ain't arresting them. It's interesting, and ain't it? All right, so let's keep going, right? So since we're talking about SBF, Binance Proof of Reserve raises red flags report. Now listen, y'all. The SEC been investigating. It's been an investigation against Binance and Tether since like 2018. They've been investigating the Tether coin for a long time, because for Tether, you're supposed to be backed. Each one Tether is supposed to be backed by $1. They saying that Tether is not actually backed by $1. It's not backed, and this is why they are trying to come after Binance. Right now, this is the thing, y'all. During this time, you have a lot of FUD. You have a lot of articles that's coming out to make you think the market is about to get worse. It's to flush people out of the market. That's what these articles is meant to do. I'm gonna just be straight up with y'all. It's to cause FUD and get people to back up out of this market, so the big whales can buy your crypto dirt cheap. So that's what's going on. That's why I told y'all, when you do investing, you got to use your 3 C's: common sense, current events, and calculations. These 3 C's are always relevant when it comes to investing. So now they said that Binance Proof of Reserve raises red flags. So now they want to come out to Binance saying that Binance don't have what they're supposed to have. This will really hurt the market if Binance were to get attacked. It really will hurt the market. A lot of people know that, because of FBF going and FTX going bankrupt, it shifts a lot of power to Binance. So now Coinbase is trying to get at Binance. We'll talk about that a little bit later, right? So you got this other article. It's ironic how all these articles are coming out around the same time. This is how I know we're getting, the bottom is very near. U.S. Justice Department reportedly split over charge of Binance as crypto world falters, right? U.S. Justice Department reportedly split over charge of Binance as crypto world falters. So you have people that's in the Justice Department that I told you they've been investigating since 2018. They are split, right? It says splits between U.S. Department of Justice prosecutors are delaying a long-running criminal investigation into the world's largest cryptocurrency, Binance. People familiar with the matter told. The investigation being in 2018 and is focused on Bitcoin, Binance compliance with U.S. anti-money laundering laws and sanctions, these people said. A Binance spokesperson said, "We don't have any insight into the inner working of the Justice Department, nor would it be appropriate for us to comment if we did." So this is going on also, family, right? FUD, family. This is meant to wring you out of the market, make you think that the market is really in bad shambles. This is what this is called for, right? Now, we have Coinbase, the CEO of Coinbase. Now, let me tell y'all, I didn't pull this article up, but the CEO of Coinbase has urged all their users and transfer over to USDC. Now, if you've been following me for a couple of years, I told you that Coinbase, and I believe the government behind them, is trying to back up USDC and remove the US tether with USDC. So now Coinbase CEO expects revenue to plunge over 50% on better crypto prices. So listen, first, Coinbase stopped supporting XLM, Bitcoin Cash, XRP. They stopped supporting them on their app. Then they told their customers to stop using USDT, switch over to USDC, and they, like, as far as the price to do it, they waiving the fee to do it. Now you find out it's an article that came out December the 7th that Coinbase CEO expects revenue to plunge over 50% on battered crypto prices. So you have the CEO of Coinbase putting straight FUD. He's fudding, saying that the revenue of crypto can drop 50%. Bitcoin basically can go down from 17,000, lose 50% of its value. This man is creating FUD. He's creating FUD. So they said, this is what he's saying, 50% decrease in crypto. That man's creating FUD. They know what's going on. I'm about to show you what's going on when I look at the market. The market tell you what's going on. You don't need nobody to write no article to tell you what's going on. Look at the market. That's all you got to do is look at the market, family. Matter of fact, that's what we about to do. We about to look at the market, right? But so it's a lot of FUD going on. Again, family, this episode of Max Crypto News is being brought to you by Anointed Hands. You can take my crypto class for $100. Get in here, get this money. Hey, send that $100. I'll send you the link to the classes and we can get started, right? So let's look at the chart, man. Let's get up in here, right? So let's go to BTC. We're gonna look at a little bit of BTC real fast now. We're gonna start off at the 1 hour. Gate, when you look at the 1 day, you can see that we're in a downtrend. That's the first thing I saw, is that we're in a downtrend. Excuse me. All right, so let's get into this thing. Let's look at the chart, family. We're looking at the 1 hour. This is the 1 hour chart, y'all. We using Bitstamp. I ain't want to do that. Let me delete that. All right, so when you're looking at the 1 hour, we can see what's going on. This is Bitcoin 1 hour. Yeah. All right, we can look and see exactly what's going on. So after this last three-way ABC or this three-way move down, we had a move up to the high side right here. We came down. Now, when we got here, this is an area of support because you can see the last three wave we hit here and we bounce. So this is an area of support. But the last time we hit this area, you can see we bounced here. That's how high we got. Then we came back down. I think we're in the same three-way structure again right now. But the difference is, you see, this is a high right here, and it came down. So you can say this is one wave already of the three-wave structure, right? We're moving up. Now, you can see we're starting to come back down. So this would be a three-way or a five-way down. We're going to the downside. So I'm not going to draw it. I'm not going to draw it. You got to take my class. They get it. But you can see it coming down. We hit this resistance. We bounced up. We got here. Now we're starting to head back down, right? So it looks like we can be, and when you look at the RSI, we right around the middle. So we got room to come down. We can actually come down more or go up, but it looks like everything is coming down. So that's from the 1 hour. We go to the 4 hour. Let's see how the 4 hour look. It's a little more defined. All right. Again, I need to move this. So we can see, yeah, the same thing. That 1, 2, 3. We went up. We came down. We was headed up. Now we're starting to come back down. This can be, I think it's gonna be a 3 or 5-way move down. I think we're coming down. We had a 3-way. Then we got a 5-way coming down. I can imagine. 1, 2, or maybe 3. Yeah. Maybe a 5-way structure down, but you can look at this. I would draw, but I don't want to. But you can see we went a high, we came down, we hit this area of support, we bounce. Look like we're coming back down right now. Let's go to the 1-day chart. The 1-day chart just put it out there. Like the 1-day chart just show you like, yo, you can see it is clear. Look at them 5. These 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a straight up downtrend. I get y'all this one. Like this is, it don't get no clear in this. That we're in a downtrend. Like, yeah. So hold up, y'all. Let me get this. So we can see that according to the day chart, we trending down. Like this is like, you know, I mean, that's what's going on. We're in a downward trend. It's right here. It don't get no clear in this. Like, don't get no clear in this, family. We're in a downward trend. So I already told y'all the target lines. If you in my class, I already gave us our target line where we can expect, but we coming down. That's what it looked like, y'all. And with this FUD, we have to get to the bottom, so we can start back going up. So we check out the stock to flow real fast to see if it's gonna pull up. Yeah. We can see how close we are to the bottom with the stock to flow, but I think we there, we getting there, we right there at it. But we got a little ways to go. There we go. Yeah, you can look at it, man. Like we right here, we right close to it. Now, if you was in my class, family, I would explain this all to you. But right now, when you looking at this, you can see, according to the last couple bull runs, the coloring when we bottomed out, and we right here. So, you know, short term, we had it down. For the short term, the chart is telling us we going down. So you can expect the price. And with this FUD going on and what these people saying, like it's like Bitcoin down $96 today. And you can tell by the news that it's no positive news, it's all negative news. So we can expect the price to go down. It should go down. But the good thing is when it's red, it's a buying day. Whenever it's red like this means it's a good day for us to buy, family. Litecoin down, Ethereum down $10 today. You know, it's a good time for you to get in here and buy something, man. But with that being said, man, I thank y'all for watching. Again, this episode of Max Crypto News has been brought to you by the cryptocurrency class. Y'all follow the link, click the link, pay the money, and get the class. With that being said, I appreciate y'all. Y'all be safe. Well, I do.